Hey y'all, real quick thing I just did that I'm kind of pleased about. You can just see it over my shoulder there. I just made a homemade scabbard out of a 2x10, could be 8, maybe 6 if you get a small enough saw, right there. And I used some wire, so really all I did was put this 2x10 into a vise that's right, and then did a bore cut with my 261. I think this is a 20-inch bore. Yeah, it worked great. And then I have a lot of this wire, I don't know what the hell you call this stuff, but there's wired around the back grill here. And it's not moving. It's resting on the bottom plate, so it works. Mint, pretty pleased. So now I can take my saw with me on my Avant. So cool little quick thing, easy enough to do. Bye.